Hi boys and girls, today for our literacy activity we're going to be reading a story together called I Want to Be a Nurse. And while we are reading this story, I want you to think about something that you learned. So these children are reading a story about a frog, and this girl is thinking about how she just learned that at first a frog is a tadpole when it's a baby. This little boy is thinking about how he learned that frogs eat flies, and he didn't know that before reading. So today while we're reading, I Want to Be a Nurse, I want you to think about, what is something new that I learned today as we were reading our story? All right, let's get started. I want to be a nurse. This nurse enjoys his job. He cares for the sick, and he helps people stay well. Many nurses work in a hospital. Doctors and nurses work closely together. A nurse welcomes a new patient and her friend. The nurse's station is a busy place. There are questions to answer and questions to ask. No matter how busy they are, nurses need to make patients feel comfortable, and a smile really helps. This nurse works in a doctor's office. This nurse visits patients in their homes. She is checking the woman's blood pressure. Until this baby gets better, a nurse will always be in the same room. So remember thinking about what you've learned. Even when nurses work alone, they are helping their patients. Nurses use special machines to check their patients' health. There's the machine back there. Sometimes nurses have fun helping their young patients. Some nurses work in the operating room. That's a big word, operating room. These nurses are making sure that everything is set up correctly. Germs spread quickly, so nurses and doctors wear masks and gloves during an operation. The operation was successful, and this man will soon be feeling much better. This patient receives treatment twice a week from the nurse. Her arms are getting stronger every day. This nurse has good news. Her patient can go home tomorrow. A great big smile makes a nurse's work a pleasure. All right, friends, so remember you're thinking about what you learned while reading our story about nurses. Maybe there was a new word you learned. Maybe you learned about where the different type of places a nurse can work. All right, so if you can think of something that you learned today, I want you to leave it in the comments underneath our video so I can respond. All right, friends, thank you for watching. And again, don't forget to join us for our Zoom class meeting tomorrow at 10:30. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing you all. Bye, friends. Thanks for joining today.